Forex Films. Today is May 29th, 2011, and we're gearing up for a very exciting week in Forex. Tomorrow, U.S. market is closed, but European and Canadian data coming across may give us some pretty good moves. So the first thing we got to be looking out for tonight, if you're trading New Zealand dollars, and we could very well get a breakout to a new all-time high in the New Zealand dollar US dollar pair. We have the trade balance coming out, and the fun starts on Monday with Japanese housing starts at 1 a.m. All these times are Eastern Daylight Time. And I will be watching for Canadian current account and Canadian GDP at 0830. And that could inspire a very good breakout to the downside or to the upside, but I'm hoping downside for dollar CAD. And we've got more Japanese data that night. The next Asian session, 1930 Japanese jobless rate and Japanese industrial production at 1950. We also have more New Zealand data, the New Zealand business account, and for Australia at 2130 the Australian current account and private sector credit. Wednesday will be our last big day and hope for movement before NFP. You better have everything set up because Thursday is very light on news, and since it's the day before NFP, it's probably going to be a lot of consolidation and not much going on. At midnight for us in New York, we have German retail sales, 0145 Swiss GDP, 0200 UBS consumption indicator, 0355 German unemployment, and 0500 we have Eurozone CPI estimate and Eurozone unemployment rate. So that will probably move us even higher in the euro. And another big thing we got to watch for the euro this week is the possibility of a resumption of the downtrend in a very powerful way. We've got a lot of bad news coming out of the Eurozone with Greece and Ireland. I posted an article on forexfilms.com. Read it if you're looking to find out about the news events that happened this weekend. And another big event for us, we have Bank of Canada rate decision at 0900. 0945 for US, we have Chicago Purchasing Manager Index, and 10 o'clock we have US Consumer Confidence. Along with that night for the Asian session, we'll have Australian Performance Index and China PMI Manufacturing at 2100, along with Australian new home sales and Australian GDP. All the majors have a lot of market moving events this week. On Wednesday at midnight, Bank of Japan International Conference about monetary policy. We could have a very neutral tone come out of there and have nothing happen, nobody will care. Or maybe Bank of Japan will finally give up, much like the Swiss National Bank gave up their attempt to keep the Swiss franc from appreciating. Any news that comes out of there will probably be very interesting. And 0315 we have Swiss retail sales, 0815 US ADP employment change, and 1000 we have US ISM manufacturing, and that night 1950 we got Japanese capital spending and 2130 Australian trade balance. And following that, Thursday, June 2nd, I'm not really going to be paying attention to any of this most likely, and I don't expect much to happen. So we will move our focus to European Monetary Union at 0800 Purchasing Manager Index Services at that's actually GMT, and Purchasing Manager Index Services for the United Kingdom, but I don't expect these to really cause any movement until at 0830 Eastern Daylight Time we have NFP and the US unemployment rate. So we could experience some very big moves, some very unexpected moves for the masses, and really let us know where the longer term trend lies. So keep up with my Elliott wave analysis. I will be updating it through the week when major changes happen, and thanks for watching.